Hello, this is Paul, and today I'm going to talk about my Clivia Miniata, also known as a kaffir lily or a bush lily. Now this lovely plant is related to onions, so it does bulb much like an onion, as you can see down there. It's got some rain here, but there you go, definitely kind of like a bulb style plant. So there were originally two here, and now you can see how many we have. Multiple plants, and we grow them in ground in Southern California. Most people grow them in pots, but as you can see, they thrive in Southern California climate. My secret is, or trick, or whatever, I guess my strategy, that's what I should call it, is I keep it near the lawn, and they get overspray from the lawn in the summer, and very little water, except for the rain you see right now in the winter. So this lovely plant comes in different forms. You could get darker red, I've seen, than this variety that we have here. I've seen yellow, and I've seen the leaves. You could even get it with variegated leaves. So a striking plant. I would like to have some different varieties besides this one, but I'm happy with this one in its present state. So if you want to grow them outdoors like I do, they need to be in a northeastern facing area of our yard, or that's where ours is, so it gets very little sunlight, especially in the summer months. And generally, you could probably have this in a full shade and these plants will thrive. People grow them indoors in pots, and as long you're welcome to do that as well. The leaves will be darker, tend to be much darker. And you must have a well-draining soil. These plants are drought tolerant. They really like, I mean, you can see there's gravel there, and I put a bunch of palm and cactus mix when I planted these a few years ago. So I think we get 2 bloom cycles on these lovely plants, and they do grow South African woodlands, so they're really always under a canopy. If you try to put them in full sun, the leaves will definitely burn and the plant will die. So do not give them very much sunlight. Up close you can see the flowers, really pretty, and they do smell kind of like a faint perfume smell is kind of how I would describe it, and it's also described that way on the internet. Very beautiful flower, and the blooms last for quite a bit. So there you go, give us a like and a subscribe. If you have any questions about care, let us know. But literally all these are overspray from our lawn, and I don't think I ever fertilized them, so they just thrive. So if you want to treat them right, make sure they have well draining soil and not a lot of sunlight. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Dude, it's creepy.